In this video, I'll be showing you how to bleed the brakes on a Chevy Equinox. Let's get started. First, using some brake clean and a clean rag, and clean the brake fluid reservoir. Just gonna wipe around. This is to ensure that no dirt or debris falls into the reservoir while we bleed our brakes. Now I'm gonna remove my brake fluid reservoir cap. In our case, there is no screen to remove, so you access the brake fluid. So using a suction tool, I'm just going to remove as much as I can. Now dispose of this fluid properly and set it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and top off our brake fluid reservoir using some clean .3 brake fluid. We're going to start off at our right rear wheel. You can look at our brake caliper right here and the brake caliper screw. There's a cap on top, remove that. Now I'm going to place an 11mm wrench over it with my brake fluid bottle. Now with a helper in the vehicle, I'm going to advise them to pump the brakes about 5 times. Then I'm going to crack the bleeder screw open. They are going to advise me when the pedal hits the ground, and then I'm going to resecure the bleeder screw. Pump, please. I'm going to crack open our bleeder screw. Wait for our fluid to come out and resecure the bleeder screw. We're going to repeat this until we see no more air bubbles. Okay, one more time. I'm going to remove my wrench and reinstall the cap. Now we're going to proceed to the left rear and do the same. As you can see, after bleeding both rear calipers, our brake fluid level is dropped. We're going to go ahead and top it off again. Now we're going to move on to the right front wheel, and after that proceed to the left front. Now that we're at the right front, I'm going to locate our brake caliper and our bleeder screw. Again, there's a cap, remove that. I'm going to place my bottle and hose over it, but first our 10mm wrench. I'm going to advise my helper to pump the brakes. Can you pump, please? Okay. Pump, please. Okay. And one more time, please. Right. And we're going to snug it up. As you can see, there's no more air bubbles. So remove the hose. Reinstall the cap. Now we're going to do the same for the left front and then top off our brake fluid reservoir. And that looks good. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our brake fluid reservoir cap. Make sure it's fully secured. Now we're going to head back inside the vehicle, pump the brakes, ensure we have a good brake pedal. If not, repeat the process. After ensuring our brake pedal is good, we're going to reinstall all 4 wheels and torque them down to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.